Hello everyone, welcome back to FIXFLOW. Are you getting the error message? Image failed to verify with security violation. Press any key to continue. If you're facing this problem, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. So, let's get started. First, press 2 to 3 times the Enter key. Then press the Tab key to open the startup menu and enter the BIOS settings. Once you are in the BIOS, look for the Secure Boot option. Open it and change the setting from Enabled to Disabled. After that, save the changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart automatically, and the issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FIXFLOW for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.